Hi, my dear students. How are you all? Okay. Now we are going to see in today's class, we are going to see how to install Visual Studio 2022. Before that, before stepping into the concept of installation of VS 2022, just a small recap. Okay. In last class, we saw about what are the requirements. Okay, you need a good computer with at least 8 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk, and then good internet connection you must have. Okay, and then interest and passion to learn. And third is, okay, I think in fourth point you are seeing now. Okay, try to gather all these informations. Okay, and store all those things at your back of your mind. Okay. Anyhow, we are going to see all these details, okay, in later sessions of Kalkarpi. Okay. And here, I want to tell you one thing. Always, when you want to learn new technology, okay, you need to install new technology related app. That's all. Very simple concept. Just compare. If you want to see cinemas or films, you are going to install Netflix in your Netflix app in your mobile phone, correct? The same concept applies here also. If you want to do program in C# language, you need to install Visual Studio 2022 app. Concept is very clear. Just compare mobile phone app installation, compare mobile phone app installation with laptop or computer Visual Studio app installation. Okay, in laptop and computer, if you want to learn particular technology, then you need to install particular technologies app. Very simple way, straightforward way. So don't get any confusion. Okay, for example, for C# programming language, you are going to install VS 2022 IDE app. Okay, for Java, if you want to learn, you need to install two apps. One is JDK app and another one is Eclipse app. Okay, concept is same. So I believe I have easily injected the concept of learning technology, high-end technologies. Okay, okay. Now we will see the concept of how are we going to install the VS 2022. Okay, see first. Okay, I'll remove this. See, I'm not going to do spoon feeding in this session. I'm very clear. Okay, I'm just teaching you how to study or how to learn in an organized way. Okay, so today we are going to see, okay, C#. So I have created one folder. Please create all these folders in your C drive. Okay, I have created this all these things in my D drive, but okay, create these folders in C drive. Okay, so I have created, okay, my learning folder. Inside my learning folder, Okay, one C# folder. Inside C# folder, I got basics, intermediate, advanced. Okay, so inside this basics folder, okay, if you are working with some applications, okay, create some applications inside this basics folder, or even if you want, you can store some basic concepts related to interview questions, or basic concepts, lessons, everything, all those things, interview questions, lessons, everything may be in MS Word format. Okay, everything you can store it here. Okay, it's your wish. Okay, and then for installing softwares, I have created my softwares one folder. Okay, now if we see, now we are going to install VS 2022 app, right? Okay, just give download. Okay, it will ask something. Give, okay, and then give this. See here, I do want to tell you one thing. Okay, I'm not going to give you spoon feeding. Okay, installing VS 2022 app may be a challenging one. It depends on your computer configuration, your computer speed. You must have enough hard disk space and enough RAM. Enough RAM means at least 8 GB of RAM. Enough hard disk means you must have, okay, 1 TB of hard disk space. 1 TB maybe with SSD also. Okay, download this. Okay, free download. Okay, click on this. Immediately you can see here. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, I'm copying this. Okay, and I'm pasting it here. Okay, and I'm going to double click this. Okay, okay, it will ask you. Okay, then provide yes. After providing yes, okay, then installation will start. Okay, while you can see that in that installation screen with several checkboxes. Okay, please tick all the checkboxes except gaming. At least this installation will take minimum, I think, between, okay, 30 to 40 GB, I think. Okay, it will take 30 to 40 GB. Okay, installation depends on your internet speed also. Got it? Okay, there are so many videos are there. Just go to YouTube and give search how to install VS 2022. Okay, my humble request is, okay, while if you see that installation screen, you can see many checkboxes. Okay, click all the checkboxes except, okay, gaming development checkbox. Okay, or if you are running shortage of memory in hard disk, you can select only three checkboxes, that is for web development, then SQL Server checkbox, and third desktop application checkbox. Okay, if you select these three checkboxes, okay, it may come between 10 GB to 15 GB of, it will occupy between 10 GB to 15 GB, not exactly 15 GB, it will come up to 12 to 13 GB, I think. Okay, then after installing this VS2022, you need to install this one, .NET 5.0 runtime. See this one. Okay, this one I think I have mentioned it here. Okay, runtime. Try to install this also. Okay, I'll show. Okay, because you people may ask, sir, why do I want to install this .NET 5.0 runtime? Okay, if you install only Visual Studio 2022, okay, installation, okay, you will get only .NET 9.0 runtime. Okay, that is very advanced. That is very advanced. So, very advanced means when you open a console application, you will see only single line of code. Actually, if you use .NET 5.0 runtime, okay, you will see namespaces, Microsoft namespaces, then user defined namespaces, then you can see class, then you can see entry point, okay, curly braces, many things are there. Okay, at least you will see when you open your first console application program with .NET 5.0 runtime, okay, you can see up to 11 to 12 lines, but okay, see Visual Studio installation comes only with, okay, I mean .NET 9.0 runtime, I think. Okay, this is the new one. If you use this, okay, you will see only single line of code. Okay, it is somewhat very tedious or cumbersome task for me to teach. So I am requesting you people to install .NET 5.0 runtime. Okay, so you are going to install two apps. Okay, for a layman perspective, I am telling. For novice learner, I am telling. Okay, you are going to install two apps. One app is VS 2022 installation. When you install this VS 2022, okay, .NET 9.0 runtime will automatically install. Okay, after the installation of VS 2022, okay, then on top of that you need to install .NET 5.0 runtime. Okay, you can give a search here like this, then you can install. Okay, here I want to tell you one thing. Okay, Installing Visual Studio 2022 with .NET 5.0 runtime may be a challenging one. Please face that challenge. That is very important. Okay. Don't feel installing this VS 2022 app is a tough one. If you find any challenge, okay, get the help from YouTube and try to solve that. Okay. It's my humble request. Face that problem. Okay. Face that problem. Okay. Through that problem, you will come to know many things. Clear? Okay. So we will meet in the day 3. Day 3 class is going to be, okay, discussion about the very first console application program. Okay. At the back of my mind, I'm thinking, did I miss anything to say? No, I covered everything. Okay, my dear students, okay, we will end up this session. Bye. Take care. We will meet in the next session. Bye. Take care.